talking about two cases involving domestic violence. Let's go back to the Johnny Depp Amber Heard case and this case, okay? Again, we have two victims on the stand, they say. One was Amber Heard. She said she was a victim. Johnny Depp said he was a victim, and the jury believed him. But Amber Heard testified, and I'm only going to use this because they were, both Danielle Redlick and Amber Heard were women, right? So I'm being gender specific here on this. Two women testified. One was more, she was very animated, Amber Heard, right? She's telling the jury, and she says, you don't know what goes on behind bedroom doors, closed doors. This woman, Danielle Redlick, is not so animated. She's just kind of like owning bad facts. When she owns it, she admits to it, and all. And again, she says she don't know what's going on in a relationship. So how do we judge domestic violence victims? Is there a lesson to be learned here?
Yeah, such an incredible kind of comparison to make to their two testimonies. A couple of things stood out to me. First, Amber Heard had this habit of never speaking with the attorney on cross-examination, but always turning towards the jurors and speaking with them. And a lot of people talked about this. And I know that they train, professional witnesses to do that, to speak to the jury. But the way she did it came across as so kind of scripted that she began to lose authenticity, I think. And you don't see that here with Redlick. She seems very authentic. The other thing that is something that you pointed out is this idea that she's willing to take responsibility and ownership for some of the things that she's done wrong, which was incredibly lacking in Amber Heard's testimony. It was like she never wanted to admit to having done anything wrong ever. And that, again, tears at somebody's authenticity and believability. So what you have here is this person that becomes very sympathetic in Redlick and not sympathetic at all, obviously, at least to those jurors in Virginia when it comes to Amber Heard. And I think that's why we're seeing such a drastically different. I know we're talking about comparing criminal to civil and it's apples to oranges, but it's drastically different results, at least in the believability according to the jurors.